Open floor plan intent on making indoor and outdoor living spaces complement each other. Boasting over 1,900 square feet, updates include brand new kitchen, appliances, water-resistant laminate flooring, as well as HVAC 2018. Updated landscaping in the front of the home with lots of room for entertainment. Your indoor washer and dryer hookups are in the utility room, which gives you plenty of additional storage. This home also offers a lot of potential for its location, only 10 minutes away from the University of South Florida, 20 minutes away from the International Airport, 10 minutes away from Busch Gardens, 24 minutes away from the Buccaneers Stadium, easy access to I-75, I-4, I-275, downtown Tampa, Moffitt Cancer Center, etc. Great opportunity for first-time homeowners or for investors looking to grow their real estate portfolio. The third fastest growing metro area in Florida, Hillsborough County has been showing a steady economic growth of its diverse economic base that includes technology, health, tourism, finance, construction and population. Put this one at the top of your list and give us a call today for your private tour. Don't miss this opportunity.